Timmy wants to keep eye contact, but he keeps failing. He tries looking at his crush, but once she glances back at him, he immediately looks away. Timmy seems stressed and weird. Hermes. He keeps eye contact like a god, because he is one. He isn't scared of holding eye contact, and in fact he uses it as a clever weapon. With just his gaze, he can intimidate his enemies and make women fall in love. Most people suck at holding eye contact. It's an untrained skill that's very uncomfortable to do. But eye contact has a lot of value that's underestimated by the most. And by just holding it, you can attract, intimidate, or even show interest in what someone is saying. To train it, you'll need to do a simple challenge. A challenge that will help you to overcome your fears. For the next 3 days, I want you to hold eye contact with anyone you see around you. Just anyone, any man, woman, young, old. Try to keep eye contact until they look away. Now some people might get upset when you're holding eye contact with them. If they do so, just tell them that you thought you knew them, but they're not actually who you thought they were. Or another trick you can use is simply smile every time you hold an eye contact. And it'll just make people happier. Obviously, don't be stupid with this. Don't go holding eye contact and smiling to a thug, because he's probably gonna beat you. But at the same time, dare to do so. If you see a stunning girl, and you're walking past her, now you might not have the courage to walk up there and talk to her, but at least try to keep eye contact as long as possible, and smile. Because I believe that facing your fears is the only way to overcome them. And that's basically it. Follow the steps I gave you, and you'll master the skill of eye contact. My name is Artem, and I teach young men self-improvement on YouTube. Join my Discord, link in the description, follow my channel, and become a better man with me. Bye.